In this video, I'll show you how to create a database in Notion. First, open Notion and sign into your account. Once you're logged in, open an existing page or create a new one where you want to add your database. Next, click anywhere on the page and type /database. You'll see several database options, including table, board, list, calendar, gallery, and timeline. Choose the layout that best fits your needs. Now, give your database a name and start adding entries. Each row or card represents a new item, and each column is a property, such as text, date, status, checkbox, or select. Click on a column heading to rename it or change its property type. After that, customize your database by adding new properties, creating filters, sorting your data, or adding additional views. This makes it easy to organize your information in different ways without duplicating your data. Finally, continue updating your database as your project grows. You can add new entries, edit existing ones, and create additional views whenever you need them. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to create a database in Notion. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.